We'll guide you through how to download and install Farming Simulator 25. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a really great game, so let's go and get it on our computer and we can start playing it. So to get started, we need to go and open up a web browser. I'll use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. And what you then want to do is go and type in Farming Simulator 25 like so. You want to come to the official website, which is farming-simulator.com. And at the top, you need to go and tap on Buy Now. Now we can go and see Farming Simulator 25 here. What you want to do is choose how you want to go and pay. In this case, I'll go and pay with a credit card. I'll click there and click Buy Now. Farming Simulator is a paid game. So now I'll go and enter in my contact details and we can go and continue with the purchase. After you've entered in your details there, you can then go and choose your payment method. So I'll select mine now and enter in my details. Now you're going to go and receive an email with an activation key where we can download the product. You'll go and receive an email which looks like this. You'll go and get your activation key, which you can go and select, and you can copy it, and you can head to the download page here. You can then paste in the key and click download. We can go over to the right and go and tap on download like so. In Chrome, you can see the progress in the top right here, so let's go and wait. When it's finished downloading, come and open up your file explorer, click on downloads, and here it is. What you need to do is go and double click on it. I've had this pop up here and I'll go and click on open. And then what you need to do is go and run the setup.exe. So double click on that. You'll get a Windows security pop-up, which you need to agree to. Now read through the agreement. I have, so I'll click I accept the agreement and press next. You can do a default installation. I'll do a custom one, so I want to install it elsewhere. I'll then press next and next again, and we can press install and it will start. When it's completed, you can click on finish like so, and we can then go and launch it using the shortcut. You're going to be asked to go and enter in your key here, so you can go and get that from the email you received. Enter it in and you can press activate, and it should then go and start launching, just like so. And here we are, and we can now go and get started. So let me go and click on career, and I'll go and make a new game. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.